Hello, how you doing? This is Edwin Loan Depot. In this video, we're going to explain the 3 top differences between first-time homebuyer program, down payment assistance program. Reason why is because a lot of you have the confusion about the first-time homebuyer program being the same as the down payment assistance program. In this video, we're going to explain the 3 top differences about the 2 programs for you. One of the main differences between the first-time homebuyer program and the down payment assistance program is your FICO. For a down payment assistance program, you do need a 640 requirement in order to qualify for the down payment assistance. For a first-time homebuyer, you only need a 620. Another thing about the first-time homebuyer, that is strictly a conventional loan. A down payment assistance program could either be a conventional or a government loan, which is a VA, USDA, or FHA. Number 2, the second difference between the first-time homebuyer program and the down payment assistance program is you do have to be a first-time homebuyer to qualify for the first-time homebuyer program. You don't have to be a first-time homebuyer to qualify for the down payment assistance program. The definition of a first-time homebuyer is somebody that has not owned a property in the last 3 years. Number 3 is there is an income limit for the down payment assistance program. For the first-time homebuyer program, there is no income limit. So you definitely want to take that into consideration when you go to your lender. If you guys have more questions or want to know more details about the down payment assistance or the first-time homebuyer, just go ahead and give me a call at this number and we'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions.